When you use mudjacking or polyjacking, it's a cosmetic fix to help the longevity of concrete driveways, garages, sidewalks, front porches, and sometimes basement floors. It all depends on the condition of the concrete before you attempt the recovery process. If the concrete is in still good condition, 9 times out of 10 we can keep that. We can get it up where it is, and then it'll save your concrete for another 10-15 years. Depending on the damages that's to the sidewalk, garage, or whatever you're trying to recover, depends on how much recovery you can get without causing further damage. And it also depends on if the repair will get worse or not, depending on the amount of damage it's already caused. Your polyjacking doesn't do anything for the soil problems. That is the general maintenance of the house. Maintain the grading, maintain the gutters. You want to make sure you have everything sloped away from wherever you're having the problem. When you do the polyjacking, what it does is it fills the void that the water has caused. And once you get that up and you keep the soil graded away from there, then it extends the longevity of the poly or mudjacking that is used to recover. It's going to erode underneath what you just put in there. So if you fix a sidewalk and you have gutters that are not clean and the water is coming over the gutter in that particular area and you don't take care of it, that water has to go somewhere, and it's going to wash out underneath what you just fixed. So the general maintenance is a big key on making sure that you don't have to continue to do poly or mudjacking. Typically, when you go through a general maintenance and then you give them the ticket of the actual price tag of what the repair is because the lack of maintenance, they get it pretty quick. It definitely hits home after you have a $2,500 or $3,500 price tag on a sidewalk because you didn't keep your gutters clean.